Hey, what's up? I am back here with another Madden Mobile video pack opening. So today I am going to open like maybe 9 Pro Packs. Alright, so... Okay guys, so there we go. We are Prestige 2. Okay, so that's good. I just got Prestige 2. So I'm happy about Prestige 1. I love the background, but I'd rather have it gold, right guys? So I have 71k. I got an Elite Road sign from the pack. So let's start with our first one. Hoping for an Elite. Of course we don't, because my luck's been terrible lately out. Ooh, I'd rather have that 57 safety. So guys, let's talk about... What's I talk about? Of course, another one. 2 eggs at a time. Alright, so if you guys saw that Syracuse game, that was a crazy game. Like, they came back from a 15-point deficit. That was crazy. I've never seen anything like it. Oh, there we go. That's our campus player. I could use that, or I could sell it. Okay, I sell it or use it. Who cares? So something. Alright, an 81 center. That's pretty good. Hoping for 2 elites in this pack. But I don't. Because my luck stinks. I'm probably not going to be elite, guys. But I think the luck decreased. But right when I say it, I get an elite. So there we go. That's our first elite, guys. Definitely didn't make profit back. Oh, a free pro pack, guys. There we go. That's what I love to see. Alright, so we'll have an extra pro pack because I got that pro pack collectible. So we'll go with sets. I think it's in... No, it's in upgrades. So I have one of these. Let's claim our pro pack. Guys, that was a pretty good pull. I mean, that was pretty good pull, so... But, no. But, I mean, like, I'm happy with that. I'm very happy with that. At least I got an elite this time. I'm not in rage mode, so that's good. Let's just... Okay, so guys, there's some really good movies out, like... I'm not gonna rage right now, guys, but I mean, like, that was a bad 6 trophy back. How many times have I done 6 trophy backs? Way too many. Another bad one. 47. 38. I'll do those later so I don't bore you guys out. Do I have enough? No, I do not. I'll just take these guys out and sell them for like 2K. They might sell. Probably they will. So let's put these guys. I'll look up the TJ Lang. This guy goes for like 10K. Sure, I think. So, what the heck? And this guy goes for 2.5K. 2499. Then we got these guys for 2K. I'll make a pretty good amount of money.
Me too. Any chance this is going to be a girls' night, or is it going to be a girls' night plus late girls' night, like it's been the past 3 girls' nights? If you're asking if Luke is coming, no. Oh, that's actually what I wanted to say.
Yang? Is it Yang in it?
A garage sale?
No, I think it's Lang. TJ Lang. There we go.
National Hobby Month. I'm going to have Link pick a hobby, and then he'll give me a little space, which is exactly what our relationship needs.
Hey, Phoebe. Hey, Cherry. Garage sale. Awesome.
No, Link. It's National Hobby Month. Duh. Done knitting.
National Hobby Month?
Oh, yeah. Did you know that up to 500 hobbies go
do it for
Let's get to a
10K.
hobby. We have soda brewing, ping pong, croquet.
Is spending time with you some around here? Because that's a hobby I could get down with. I can't take that back, can I?
Hey, Phoebe, I think that your boomerang's broken. I threw it and it's not coming back. I am just going to take my things and go.
Wow, you saved Cherry's life. I wish I had skills like that.
That could be your hobby, saving people.
And to be honest, it's something that I've always wanted to do. But growing up
Okay,
as a man,
guys.
I just never thought it was possible.
So let's just I get a gold trophy. So that's good, right, guys? Like I'm hyped about that gold trophy. Trophy. English. Where's my English? Where? I'm just happy, guys, that I actually pulled an elite this time. I mean, it's not that much, but
What did you pay?